Pero
Nope.
may
Okay, okay.
naka-OC.
Okay. Walk north, walk north, walk north, walk north, walk north. Keep on walking north, keep on walking north.
Naka-mounted up.
Mounted up. Okay. Hit outpost again, hit outpost again, hit outpost, hit outpost. Cap outpost, cut outpost. Drop everything now. 3, 2, 1. Drop. Umalis. Shit.
Oo. Nag-zone. Mga random lang to.
You guys have random in SSE. Nice cap. Yeah, sure. Vogel, it's fine. Hold here for the meantime. Yeah, but come to Ship Shadow first. Ship Shadow. Hold here. One of our guys is fixing his internet. You can fix now, Vogel. It's fine. What a sorry ass bridge watch. Only 2 zones. Actually, only 1 zone. Not yet. Actually, yeah, we check since bandit is almost over. Do not see yet, ah. Vogel, is your internet fixed? You okay now? Where's Vogel? Hi, sir. You good now, Vogel? Hello, Vogel? Hello? You still unlucky. Black
Thir-
screen. Okay.
30 na sila.
30?
Oo.
Ayos lang.
Sabihan mo na ano. Huwag ka na magmas ng madami. 22 lang tayo.
Bro, we only
Sabihan
have...
mo.
Who is Ewi Kudong? Ewi Kudong.
Bebe Akudong?
Yeah, Ewa Kudong.
Uh, he's joining. He's requesting to join.
No, he's talking to me if I want the ML caller. Wait.
Yeah. Also tell him Demi says hi. Demi Godwin says hi.
Ah, fuck. Hey. Hindi mas bomb squad, bro.
You only have 2 healers remaining, Mia. Ah, no. It's Logan. The other one.
Okay, let's go. Northwest. Bogel is up.
Ay na, dami nila. 30 plus. Tayo, ilan lang tayo? 23.
Sabi nila 23 lang daw yung ano, yung nasa party.
Mia, sanay yan mag-call si Ewe.
Ayos lang. Good practice. I need someone to call for defensives. if ever. Do we even have defensives? Oh yeah, we have.
Meron yan.
Enig Demon.
May enig tayo.
I need someone to call defensive. Piatos can? No?
Pwede. I
Okay,
can.
okay.
Wala
We
pala
cannot.
akong OC.
Oh, who is this joining? I
I
need
need
healer. One more healer.
Hello Paul o Blight?
Uh,
Wala na
Nature?
ata. Wait lang, check ko muna.
ano na lang. Fallen na lang, fallen.
Okay.
Dalawa na hollow fall ka. Don't cap. We cannot cap. We don't have zone. Create party 2. Eris, can you invite Max? Just create party 2. Party 2. I need healer and probably support. Rootbound. If anyone can use rootbound. One healer and one rootbound. More shields is better.
Oath na rin, Mia.
And life course. Probably life course. I also need life course.
Oath Keepers, Mia. Rootbound.
Oath.
Yeah. Oath or
Yeah.
Rootbound.
Yeah. That's what I said.
I
Rootbound
think Oath na
or
lang, Oath Demon. Would be
Oath
better.
demon.
Yeah, because you have already one demon. So your one demon guy won't get one-shotted if he pops with a demon. At least if you have two demons.
Yeah.
Your
Oath
demons
demon
one-shotted.
instead. Oath demon and one healer. Eris, do you guys have party 2 already? Type in faction chat if you have. Lucky. Roko, I will give you Choco. Invite Max Defense.
Ako kay party to.
Kaya na lang. Pati si Eris, yung 3 Eris. Invite is mine.
Ni
Is
Rich.
mine in. Yeah, pati si is mine pa-invite. Map check is Broken Pel. We are in Broken. What is
Wala,
this?
wala pa sila dito, men. Saan na ba itong mga to?
Napa,
30 plus sila.
ayos lang.
Ay,
Sabi niya
nandun si...
sabi niya 23 lang daw sila eh.
30.
Hindi, 23 yung party. Pwede na. We can cap
Dito,
this.
dito pala si Lampu. Lampu
30.
success!
30 sila sa comps. Oh.
I need Oathkeeper Demon. Oathkeeper Demon. If can. Oathkeeper Demon, if can. X up. Please. Oathkeeper Demon Armor and what do you call this? Life Curse. Oathkeeper Demon Armor and Life Curse Demon Armor as well. Probably.
Register lang yan. Yatos.
Okay.
Nasaan sila? Tagal. Guys, everyone dismount. Let's practice engage.
Wala pa sila dito, men. Tagal naman nila.
Everyone dismount. Practice engage. South. Follow me south. Follow the crown south. Follow the crown south. Look inside the outpost. In the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perma is delayed a little bit. You need to follow up. Drop your perma at 2. Let's go. One more time. Southwest. South. Keep on walking south. There's a guy using Panther with Porto. Follow me south. CD up. Anyone? CD up.
Ready.
Okay. Inside the outpost again. In the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Not bad, not bad.
We are
Good.
in Broken Fell guys, Broken Fell.
We are in Broken Fell, Broken Fell. Oh, Captain Outing. I need the Life Curse Demon Armor and Oathkeeper Demon Armor, please. If can. Oh, we have GA. Is Kat in comms? Yeah, I remember him.
Hekit
Ah,
yan, Hekit. Alt account.
Alta
Pinapa
County?
Hikit.
Ah,
Di mo, yeah. Pinapa GA ko. Kasi may enig na tayo eh.
Enigmatic. Map check is broken. Since later we're gonna get broken.
Broken.
Yeah. I'm broke as fuck. Both in real life and Albion.
Tingin.
Mhm.
Umalis na daw yung Matlock sa ano, bank. Papunta na ata.
Okay. Hmm. There's so much terrain there.
Sino caller nila si Ewe?
Ah. Saan siya
Magaling ba
nag-call
yun siya,
dati?
no?
Saan siya nag-call dati, Demi?
Si Ewe?
Ah,
Malaki ba tayo?
hindi ko na maalala eh. Basta marunong siya. Marunong siya.
Saan kami yan? Mamark kita.
Usually,
Eh,
small scale to mid scale ang ano niya eh. Content
Dito.
niya.
garo na daw yung ano, Matlock, next map.
Next map na
Bank.
sila. Small scale to mid scale. Ah,
Hmm.
good. Good content.
Saan ka?
Pamark din yung Ruko. Pamark din yung Ruko. Ano?
Shield. Mark ko na shield. Ayun. Okay
Sige,
na, okay
sige.
na.
Guys, we only have one engage. If I call for fake, drop your Q and W, okay? One more test, one more test. Everyone dismount, one more test. One more test, one more test. Everyone dismount. Walk on east, walk on east, walk on east, walk on east. East, 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 east. East, east, south, 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 south. South. Look on the skull mark on northwest and north on north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skull mark. Nice. Then back. South, 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 south. Everyone south, everyone south, everyone south, 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 south. Keep on walking south, keep on walking south, keep on walking south, keep on walking south. Spread. Defensive now, defensive. Be ready to counter, be ready to counter. Fake only. On the count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fake only. Q and W only. Q and W only, Q and W. If I call for fake Q and W only, okay? Then Ruko, engage on North, Ruko. Oh, wait, no, cancel. They are here.
We cook, bro.
Guys, if I call for fake, Q and W only, Q and W only. Our aim for the fake is to at least damage them a little or at least for them to drop defensives, okay?
They're here,
Dito na sila.
They're tier 8.
Puta, nag-OC na agad.
O, tier 8 yan sila. Yan na yung standard ngayon eh.
Dismount and OC. Hit foods if you haven't. Hit
One
food
push.
if you haven't.
Party to one
Mia, may BMS sila.
Ah,
So,
Tanggal lahat ng shields yun ah. Ingat.
kaya nga eh. Kailangan natin magano. Semi-kite? Yeah, semi-kite.
yung ano, naka-brawl comp yung Matlock. BMS eh.
Roll comp.
You can force down in your blue wash.
Bidwell.
Okay. What do you need?
Additional
Maybe-
DPS maybe. Or
maybe-
additional
Sorry, what?
depth.
Defense?
Addition,
Sorry, what?
additional DPS maybe.
DBS.
Spirit Hunter. I need Spirit Hunter.
Alright. Separate handle.
Okay, let's go northwest. They want.
Wait.
They want to
They're
fight and
holding
bridge.
choke, I think.
Yeah,
choke
I
fight,
think they
choke
want
fight.
bridge. Are they full brawl? BMS full brawl? Dismount.
Nagpa-practice yan sila na ano, BMS. Mga 2 days na. Nag-BMS sila. Clear the mobs, guys.
Clear the mobs, please. I cannot give party lead, sorry. I will lose the mark. But yeah, sure, I will give you.
You're dismounted na.
Okay.
West of you.
West.
One
Okay,
shot.
okay.
Enemy caller using one hand mace, Mia.
One hand mace, okay.
Whoever using
Spread
one
here,
hand.
clear mobs. Spread here, clear mobs. Do you have
Ready na
BMS
daw.
as well? Okay, RD.
But careful, he might have second clumper. Mia, bad spot ka
Position
dito,
your,
ah.
yeah,
Nasa choke
position
tayo
yourself
dito
on
sa
south.
camp.
Position yourself on south. Walk on south actually, walk on south. Walk on south, a little bit only. Hold.
Wait lang, baka may kidnap to mga to.
Yeah,
Hanapin.
that's why I positioned you.
They have in Vivam, yeah? Above Badon.
Badon?
Badon, in Vivam. Careful. Luna Asia. I mean, Luna Shana.
Pansod is the shot caller, right?
May...
Wait. Look on northwest. Q and W only in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Q and W only on this guy. Okay, back. Defensive, ba? Defensive.
Fake.
Fake.
Fake,
Don't
fake,
fake.
fake, fake.
Q and W inside.
Nasa north sila.
Okay.
Knocking.
Looking. Okay. Look on west. West. Walk on west. Ruko. Clap. Ruko. Clap. Shallow only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Nice kills. Finish kills. Nice. Spread. Spread south. Everyone south. No. Cancel. Brawl inside us. Brawl. Okay. Defensive. Walk inside them. Ready, shallow only in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. On this one.
Yan yung
Okay. No. South. Position on south. Q&W on this guy. Position on south.
Dulugan south. Careful south.
Depende. Be careful. Kill this guy. Kidnap him. Kidnap. Q&W only.
Dulugan.
Okay.
They have engaged, Mia. Careful.
Careful
Yeah.
south.
We're gonna counter. Be ready for counter. Guys, be ready for gigapats. We're gonna headbutt instead.
bomb squad.
Ready demon, yeah, if you have demon and also Giga.
Bomb squad
Bomb
ba
squad?
doon? East side.
East side?
Southeast.
Southeast. Okay, walk southeast. Walk southeast.
Boom squad, stacking.
Hold. Q&W on this guy. Wait, why? You push him. I'm about to kidnap him. Wait. Careful, Shallow. Q&W only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this left tank. Q&W only. Okay, back. Nice. They use GA. Wait.
Ito lang, yung BS nila, stacking sa north. Naka-bedred.
Sa north?
Yeah, north. They're stacking. Peony, what the fuck? 7-3, bro.
7-3?
Brittle. Yeah, 7-3 brittle. Yeah.
Careful doon.
Mabla.
North.
South. Broken. South. Keep on walking south.
They're walking northeast.
Okay. Keep on walking. Slowly walk. And look on northwest. Northwest in the choke. Wait. And they did not pass.
Good J.
Northwest in the choke. In the left tank.
Ay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this left tank.
Dalagan.
Spread.
Defensive north. They're gonna engage soon.
Wait, be ready. Ready?
They engage.
Cool down. Walk inside them. Walk inside them.
Red engage.
Walk inside them. Walk. Be ready. On top of the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on top of the crown, top of the crown.
Nice!
Nice. Brawl. Don't push,
Ready,
don't
ready,
push.
walking. Get ready. Brittle.
Defensive. Keep on walking now. Walk inside them. Walk inside them. They're broken.
10 seconds, Mia. 10 seconds, Mia.
10 seconds. Northwest. Ready. Northwest. Ready. In
Not
5.
yet, not yet.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Northwest in
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Lucky.
They have good defensive. Get ready.
Guys,
Counter. Defensive. Ready. Defensive now. And walk inside them. Cool down. Tell me cool down.
Three
Walk
seconds.
and ball. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Ready.
Go walking.
Ready.
Okay. Walk. West. Look on west. West. Deep. Little bit deeper. With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Nice skills.
Fun.
Spread. They can counter. Spread.
Just spread.
Spread. It's fine. Just a spread. It's fine, huh? Tell me CD.
Eight seconds.
Engage on me.
10 seconds, 10 seconds,
Engage
yeah.
me. Okay, walk west. West. Ready, west.
Ready,
West.
engage.
Inside us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us. On me. Look for me. Ready to brawl them after clerical. Brawl and kidnap. Nice skills. Push. Keep on pushing. Brother, they can counter. Wait. Cancel. Hey, hold. Defensive. Push now. Push.
10 seconds, Mia. 10 seconds.
Delay them. Wait. Inside us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us.
They're looking again, huh?
Careful. Spread. Keep on spreading. Defensive.
You can counter, Mia.
Nice push. Do we have? Cool down.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Oh,
I think
they're broken.
bro.
They're broken.
ready.
Yeah,
Okay.
some of them mounted up already.
They're broken. Catch and kill.
Record ko.
On me.
I die.
Why did you die?
Repeat mo. Fuck.
BS coming east.
Oh, shit. Base coming east.
Wait.
They can still fight. Careful.
Okay.
On this, what do you call this? On this carving, ready? On the carving. Look on the carving. And on our sausage, on east, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me. Why did you let him go?
Ay, si Ba.
They running this brother.
Yeah. After cleric, after GA. No. Engage.
Okay.
Kill him.
Okay.
Nice kills. Nice bandit.
Nice, bro.
Nice.
Oh
But
my
wait.
god.
How many died? Only 4?
One died in party 1. Party 2.
Party 2?
One, two,
5 guys died on me.
Seven people only died in Breachwatch.
Okay. Guys, they all this. After engage, do not clamp up in the loots, please. Because after that, they can counter. That's what happened. We clamp up on one side and then we die. Yeah, sure.
So we done on second round.
No, don't dismount him. Let him be. It's fine. Everyone go to southeast. We're gonna round 2.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Internet nyo, ang long.
Breachwatch is cooked. Let's go YZ Mia.
Yeah.
Or maybe vote review.
Yo, how many people in second body?
I think 7
Ah.
probably.
Okay, invite me.
I think 2 people died in party 2 because the total death of
No.
Breachwatch is 7.
One only.
One.
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am.
who's second body?
There's one guy. His name is Kathy. He's not in party, I guess.
I see.
Yeah, that's CK. So 7. He's
So-
in comms, by the way.
Everyone
Dark-
southwest. Everyone to hold this, the river.
Wait, Darkrai is alive, bro?
Yeah, yeah. He says he came back for Miyamoto, bro.
Wow.
Dark Tree?
Darkrai,
Darkrai?
Darkrai.
Ah,
You
Dark
remember
Cry.
him? Yeah.
You came, so I came up from dead and you came up from dead as well. Nice.
I was surprised, bro. He's here. I thought he's not gonna play anymore.
Zone to Plat River, drop your loots. Share your loots to the guys who died. I will mark them. I will print screen them. Okay.
Arpak na lang ba? Arpak na ako,
No, no, no,
Mian.
no. May round 2 tayo. Ship Shadow lang para ano. Actually, Arbak. Yeah, Arbak, Arbak,
Out of food na rin
Arbak.
ako eh.
Arbak, Arbak. Buy another food. Buy another food.
Double
Boys,
OC.
again. Yeah, we're gonna do double OC. Guys, again, do not clump up in the loot. Okay? After we kill them, loot at least 2 items and then just go. Do not overstay. Invite Cap to Ding in party 2.
Ina, kinancel bang?
Ah?